If I can't get somebody to the table, I've got 2 showings on the boat tomorrow. We dropped it down to 50 grand. I mean, it's a 32-foot Sea Ray that back in the day was a $200,000 plus boat, but everybody wants the outboard boats now. It's just a little bit more inherent maintenance in an inboard gas boat.
Right, because you got to have that professional that gets in there, kind of pull the engine out in a lot of cases. I mean, it's just tougher to get in there, right?
Risers, manifolds, shaft seals, cutlass bearings. There's all kinds of things that are break out another 1,000. That's kind of what boat stands for.
That's right. Yeah, yeah.